But musician won't get for Edo State, won't get for that our state. When be say today, if not be Esther, it go be Destiny Bagua. If not be Destiny Bagua, it go be a Parakobe. Good afternoon, welcome. When be say a Parakobe matter, I don't know where this. But you can't see a born where. But just look how you come home. Just look a Parakobe and look your face, look yourself. You not see the get shape for once. Someone they are make with wow. Just look a Parakobe. As a Parakobe, not your mama. Where why a Parakobe gashi get bue. Even yes, no even feel shave. Me, I want ask Abba. Please share this video. Give me love and like, guys. I want ask Abba. Why it be say all the time? Akobe. Okay, you want got the John 24 beats now. The Mama Akobe. I be who? Now so JJ Barry you call that, and so you see kind of put for heads. Why it be say you know they mind your business? Every Parakobe where here. Now so you do our genocide they do at the end see your life. But see the bath. I wonder that your wife, you know, they talk to you. I wonder when you want a car. Because I can't be with a man like this. After me children, I got for big bags, it's smelly. You look at your BS, the BS, they're not the shave. As you look at Parakobe, look yourself. You look yourself, look at Parakobe. Now say you can't do this. Now so nothing. Make them not minor. If musician they hungry you, carry book and barrel, start to the sing. Not be social media era, a Parakobe start song. Ne Parakobe start song, not be yesterday, not be today. Not be 5 years, not be 10 years, or not be 15 years old. Ne Parakobe one, so yeah, bam. If so God they hungry you, Obazee, where Swansea want me you they call abroad. May you ask today you can so may you they perform, they go say it's easy. Because I see no reason why. Hey, Parakobe, Esther, this one, hey, baby, but you don't see they give yourself peace. All those some bini haters, I'm all here to ne bema oko. Don't see they support you, they bully our musician. I know this time, Parakobe not be your mate for this life. Hey, you are aware? Because this is jealousy. I'm about a jealousy now. You know where a Parakobe talk boy. A jealousy now now. This is pure jealousy. Where you just sit down all the time. You don't just start again now. If now because of 24 bits they do this one, enter also. You see this life, people when you come meet, not come for say they not be anything. 24 bits today. He can't go back. Now when he use the hand, don't be person cause for a body. Because some people say if they want come, wait till they come, they don't want pass who they come meet. Even JJ by that time, no when even this when 24 bits they found we want overthrow. Since they may not got the year about 24 bits like that, I've been see they exist. Where shall I 24 bits where we been an nanny? Because I saw you do for now so you do for Esther Bodio. Now so you do for what they call them genocide. If I say, in fact, I don't know who give you work. Because if you just sit down, the time when you go take bath, shave, sometimes still they shave, Obazee. Your mama your man nothing they talk to you now. If I say you carry your mama call you, this one now one make say I'm not coming when you laugh. Each one power here. It is what borrow that you met as one lab, then you should white be. Because your mama up wide enough your advice no you mind your business. What's the Parakobe, eh? Now so you they never say they bring her down. Now so they say they lagwa. But enter us. Because my mama no win and no where. Eh?
You threaten me. When I threaten me, you know where. I want to start very soon. Why
the threaten?
I threaten my
Where?
So guys, if I get your solutions, I'm a boy. The money when they book Akobe before. So when I say Akobe, they collect 2.5 million. Make we use that money the book and Adegelsa. Because Adegelsa is bigger than Akobe.
Listen. Una de ye jealousy no too. So na money when they you see it's the money when they take the book akobena na iko the pay. He say, I be na denya outside, no fiahu. So na money we take the book a park or to go this word defiant one. So na money take the book out. Can you walk out tell people who they go use their money go tell wash? Who they go if he come, they all show for who they where they go and where they don't go. Wa fiahu. Wa when it is when no la no let the show ya here. You see what that's why those say their jealousy is too much. Okay, you are coming after now money when they pay back or bell where you tell the social media pay 2.5. No one go better talk with not talk with you. Because I don't know when person go start on the suffer, all of my complaints. When you go start to you know when go better start to the sick. Ne pas go be so ya see when you bad then that's why you we bo na gbe na akwe. A part no too no go be you. So the money they got the carry park but then I got the pay for body back. Now you got tell don't be the people where to go and where not to go. Who to wash and who not to wash. Wa gbe wa tu. Erika de gbe na kuwa.
Just maybe they do talk for Europe. Or we are in Europe. You're not disgracing Europe. You want to use so they just me. Boys turn up for a G. You want to use so. Yeah,
man, we not boy. See your face. You look at your face for him. Then we now, what then I'm where you are. Ni wina ko be ana gbisue. Ni wina ko be ana gbe mo danu biele cause ni me ya tie bo makane. Ge mo no yo ge bia na mo na ne dede ya fiwe. See pikin when your woman, we be like pikin when old woman take clean yash. Mo korinyo me na ni she korinyo era korinyo. Just look at you. Where you bow get boo, you know go take care of yourself. When you the talk to see for yes, I see clean. Old man say I see the catch. You will not have bijou. Israel what you can attack lote. So now park be matter that they pay you for body. How they take the carry on. If I see when the government no go where you monitor the spirit. No go bijou no wina ko be boo. Unzan. Now so you do today. I don't see what you get. I don't see what you achieve. I never see enemy of your people like a bats in a good bishue. This way defiant one, no defiant one, usual. Your mama poor now, or mama with the kind of work is well up more, or Zawa, your father who might it say well, who ya what carry out the bottle. Also, not Mama one idiot Tony Boo. Because now jealousy spirit is too much. When somebody go to suffer and go for so no say that person they suffer. Immediately start to make money, the money now call they calculate the follower. When you go you start the thing when not go they get money, I will wag you. It's like manadi all the fearage wow. Immediately when this person start to get money, jealousy go come. If you ask me now, what is the problem of these useless abats now?
You will continue to face disgrace and shame.
Now you they face disgrace and shame. The disgrace and shame is bijou. Ni joie you be a disgrace and shame. No fiahu. Ave ne huemu. If they ask me, please share this video. Give me love, Jerry. Which kind of rubbish be that? This part a very stupid person will be say how business not the whole. It will not I never see person like this. It will not bad more better. It go just sit there, go the five people who want you to bring down. You want talk now, we are threatening you, a threatening of boy. You do know you're totally UK. Now so they support or go Obazee will be say Obazee no come no he left from Iraq for Edo State as a governor again. Are we friendly in Lawa? You think that Obazee who he break on I go enter again to become a governor of Edo State? A sakmanana marriage we no Obazee o neti guana buwa. What thing nothing one Obazee do for Edo State? Everything one show le because Obazee na ri ayawa. Ya said be waterfall already grow. Obazee na ya unsabe full and yes me ya. Very enemy to the Benin, enemy to that Benin kingdom. These are bats of your power. Egian mo edo no work. Your power we are working. Of your power here do. Why you buy me to Obazee? Why? How can somebody go just sit down? These are bats full of trying to bring people with them, they go up down. Okay, more bats, oh yeah, UK ya wowa. Iya ma efio there. Iya ma efio na mi okerogi latam muwe. Because money believe in those states near there, all those country people when they back for them, they don't do what you do. All those ones they go the back, me no say man I fear he we few we. Ni aya we give you because you are very useless. I don't know why they never see you. Ni baba muti agaga pocket when they remove your hand and your leg. Go use and go give your mama your matter cook. It could have been better. Because where more see baby, you know the bath. Man go they cannot clean up. You cannot even clean your face. Even you still shave and look good. No. With that shower woman when you put for them no go and act but hanish wow. E de nu ya mujo wa. E de yogi. That woman not fit tell you see they shave. And the one that some women they not the lele with they enter their beku. They don't even the lele man with the niente. God forbid. Men we was on home we if as you this one about let me get chinos. God forbid. Beat it. Even though you get chinos, because you are a smelly human being. How much to shave it against me? Back it up. 999. Back it up for me. Later. You understand? Man go still shave. How much to shave? How much to... You don't see bad shave this thing. If you don't feel bad clipper, how much is clipper? That your wife and some women are beg. Wanna see the no man, wanna see the like. Not be even for abroad. I don't know where Bogo. No. From Nigeria code, this is where our bat look. This is how our party. Getting our party, yeah. Eh? So women not get choice like. Tell her make you go to bath. Tell her make you shave. Tell her make you get time for yourself. Because our party make bed. If another people matter, now all that bats. No, park up a matter, now cause you hold you. You wanna go beg boo and no too. You wanna go buy the mue. You wanna go buy the mue. Ungrateful elements. Now so you take out Obazee give them Obazee till today Obazee nothing feed you, nothing. And your parent no at you. Nah. Park up and cause of frustration for your body. A park up boy is saying be very jealous human being. And the people but that woman waiting they call that woman. Even they talk to her. Mother, tell your mommy they bath. Tell her me they shave. Like, when we are shaving. So women don't get, God's a pego. Now, I said the woman, you see they dressing. I got seen the native, you know, my hair jaw. You know, go mine. Eh? Now, that one, you see there, I went down, why Nikki? Only the we don't want to see the smell versus smell cause of smell and smellless. Salo boy. How can woman go there? You cannot even advise your man, your husband to go and shave this rubbish and we fool with face. Huh? Maybe she said that woman said that still dirty because only dirty woman will access all those kind of rubbish men. If men not get shaving, not great, tell them not near you, not near me. Or to go shave those rubbish with your face. If you know the shame, I they shame because they say thief not the shame the way in family they shame. Party. So fix the woman when simple for the one they oh. That one said when I even see the bath with a smelly body and smelly nyash where they carry they go. Only they where. Because if that one see the neat weller, how not they carry mats near each other? Why you kiss here? You will so get lele sha. Aye, God forbid. And here he must smell. How bad? It's all those your baby. He must they smell. Yes. Then make it good man they shave sometimes. If they smell around one, but no weird. So weird. See your nose with your big nose will be like star diesel. You will not wear my mwe. If you sit down now, back. Only when I need now walk with the yoko give you now. May you come outside. Akobe. You will not go back. Boo. No, you hear Makobe. Then shame, eh? Let's small shame. Let her they cash you. Cause a hook walk by wow. Now that one know about our some Benin people, eh? The way they say they're jealous and not like them. Some of them, when you are suffering, they will pretend as if they don't see you. When you start to make and they enjoy, after they put their evil eye on your body, they catch money, they follow you the same way this idiot just did. Say now 2.5 million, now they pay her back for show. So as things cost roach, maybe they pay 50,000. 50,000 are winning your ass and now if they want kind of for sure, they pay 50,000. So that may you see you better pass you they walk about to win a park will be struggle for a family, struggle for a lot be government do me well. Carry family, no enter UK go sit down for UK benefits. No, a park will be take off your children, build that for a family. What to no nekwemu. You not become UK property then now. Are you working? No. Is your wife working? Is the same they talk which work your wife they do for UK then? Which work your share war when junior like help me guy when that one almost see the smell. If you look at her, she's not a only one a weird. Eh? Which work better work she they do for UK then? Why you not the work? Ule you can all those bastards when you bought for Nigeria. You won't go use until they collect UK benefit on attack. You like be for the country when you want to you can't to pick come up for Nigeria now. You can't go meet UK government. Tomorrow now they say UK no good. They start to the deal with UK no good though. In Nigeria will not be away, may not be that for training children. Eh? Are you a good patriot for Nigeria? For a Nigerian citizen who too no good bijou. A pack they call for talk. You all now you pack your bastille, go give UK government hope. Maybe they pay you child support or you have child support. When you do enter UK, you be one wrong man. Do me. But a pack is a good patriot to Nigeria. To sit in to be a good citizen. If you go come back. Now Nigeria there for take off the children. Now Nigeria there for build that way from. Now Nigeria there if for train the children. What to why be na mu alelele ya here enta be bio we but ave bio be one country o amweli ekwe modele ya here uko everybody for the UK no go see roads have a bastard from Nigeria like UK no too pikin be like wetin I don't know e moye na his son as you ye na so those your pikin ye na wa me owo because we are one game oh no we almost to affect you well because am when I wo ko yan dey you we gbe abati you were have your with Ogbeti because of jealousy with Ogbeti. You got the 2 adverts for one useless one guy that time that they call police. In the name of foundation. You got the newspaper, they do adverts for police, so they are police foundation. You see one thing in this life, what you people did not know. One thing in this life is that be you. When you want to come out to do anything, be you and do your thing. When you are coming out and want to come and take something from somebody, what does not belong to you, and you want to drag that person out to make sure you will be on top, you can never be on top, you can never make it. Not be sweat, has been written. When it be say, you as a human being, okay, you like this thing, come and do it, and let others be, and who you meet, then let them be. Don't come with the name of jealousy, try to bring who you meet them down, and you want to rise. Where do you know where you are going? Where you know where you go? You are going nowhere. Not be swear. You are going nowhere because when you know, say this thing, they not go do you. You want prepare that the thing you like her. That is what is destroying many people on this social media. You see your brother or sister doing social media, you like it, and you pretend that you don't like it. You are crying inside and say, you don't like it, oh, social media is not for my family, oh, social media is not for us, oh, social media is not for this, oh, we don't need social media, but at the end, you even love it more than people that is doing it. At the end, you want to drop person, make you better. You are going nowhere. Not be swear. Now, what did this part do? The time when genocide they do foundation. Now, so he got they spoil that man foundation, that brother foundation. And the other way, he got they do have for 1 year, police where he shop like dwarf when people call the crash they shop their money. Where women call they give them money because some women when they come and run and mad be their problem. They are son they let them put for this thing. Oh, the woman got the first small bomb woman they do in the name of a day bro, make that one the lawyer for them. They can't forget them is sugar mommy they don't hold. He got the 2 advert for that one. He got the one drop who fair call, fair use the money they help people. I bet him on the social media now. That is what you did. Now, you don't see they bring another person now. Make they carry this one, make they not carry this one. Go on, or go on, because when you are suffered for something, you could have known the value. You will not come and you want to bring other people that you want to climb. You are going nowhere. You see una when our bat they do have art for. Why come one you attack because una not go anywhere. See what they call so JJ Barry call that they call the friend when they want drop JJ Barry. Today the 24 bits, me I not see better 24 bits they do now. What 24 bits are not a musician where you be. You want to phone say now you call power JJ Barry. Now you call be this one today. 24 bits are market. So they not see better 24 bits they do. If you now know what's good for now, when you love something you want to do it at your own. Don't be planning or paying people to bring others down for you to rise. You lie. Not be swear. You are going nowhere. Except that person did it to you first. If that person did not do it to you, you know they go anywhere. Not be swear. If you like, go babalawo. If you like, they don't enter church. That's the reason why this life, I don't jealous people. If you like, be this, be that. You see the little one I have, I appreciate God. As you see me, I don't have a logical corral looking for a way to bring somebody that when you don't come close to me, I don't come close to you, and we don't know if you are existing. Yes, some people need to learn how to appreciate the little one they have. Earlier, they know better for them because they go for say they want pass who they come meet. The super woman got the blessing. No, they want to bring person down and climb, but sister, brother, when you know where they go, you know they go anywhere. And then you go say now wait that person now they do you. You don't get what he do you now you they do yourself. Yes, because the way this what they call how bad they go is very very bad. And anybody when you know that man when he got the support now say make them vote for that man. More than not man now. More than not man now. Why say yo more than not man now. More than not carry. Why move? Because you cannot be bringing one down and be blessing other one. No. No. This is what you did for genocide your body. Now you want to come to reach a park. That's what they do for the rest musicians, the rest people. And then we're here. You been wish. You know nothing you be. You know they work now. They don't even see better thing when they do now when the offices say me they see spoil your home. Because you are naughty. You have nothing to lose. That's the reason why sometimes people that don't have nothing to lose, you don't have to just mind them. Okay? Because you don't work, you know they work. No better you are not a musician now. You don't even be people when they carry musicians, they come abroad. So okay, make they come perform. No why you say, tell me why you will not be jealous. Tell me why jealousy no go your family, go your mama. Tell me. Because all those evil acts, people need to stop it. How you go there, you go to find how to bring somebody down. A park of banana not going to do you. Is you jealous or they don't pay our money? Or they don't give us more change. Now that wife for the gapper is a very lazy idiot. You know those lazy men. When they don't use 1 naira, turn 2 naira, when busy, they depend on free money, they depend on our wolf money, they depend on bribe and corruption. Run away from them, they are not a good people. They have nothing to offer. I see people that about wife we open to for that woman as stupid woman planet of because of where that woman is the most useless motherfucker woman planet Earth to even open to for you. I don't see hungry they beat many of them for Nigeria, but at a time, look at the kind of man, look at yourself and look at the kind of man when you go follow the name of say they find man. Because this man, He and the woman are bend the feather floors together. No good be sure. Your man boy not they look you. Your man do like say not see you. And then no go about look must see you. You can't pass go now that time your man come and use tears to the disturb us. Each way do I have faith in no bear. But why Pikin go they do something more than nothing and say Pikin? No, not do like the Israel now have a who now. But then one look, most Sicilian, good dog, where you don't Timothy Gadu or Dango the motor called Boguna. That your man will call the crowd who we But now advising you now, not go advise you because who you beat, no go make you no cry. Oh man, where we not Vear. It can be today, can be tomorrow. 100 years is not forever. It can be 5 years, 10, 20 years. Now be waiting to make fight not finish for a dust day today. Because you first say you get power. Or you force say you get level, you do me something. You go forget the time when you tell lose guard, they go come do revenge. Now be waiting people don't say, God is buy this one. Oh, many. They are not cutty. Many. Now waiting they do people. 9 person send they go take revenge. So that is what some people don't know. 100 years matter don't sour. 50 years matter not the sour. I said that person don't want to take a revenge. If you want to take a revenge, it will make you forget what you have done 50, 30 years ago. You go go do revenge today. And you are forgotten. That is the reason why sometimes anything you are doing this time, you have to be very careful. Because not be everybody, so me not get forgiving heart. When you do me, I go do you back. Yes, so if you like, come in wish. Even though not be today, not be tomorrow, not be next tomorrow, you get that from me and say, me, he must to wear with a be. Me na type of person. So me still believe say people like me still they exist. You know. People like me when they take revenge, they. Yes, so me a type of person, me the talker. Me I'm not the ad, I'm not the phone go Samaritan to follow me. No, Uga umemi. Imana uwe Nigeria 100 years is not forever. He have the opportunity. I serve you. I go sight you like snake. No, because when you are not doing people like that, the evil they not go stop evil. They will still live for their children. Their children will still continue evil. If na picking your hand meet, if na family your hand meet, you use and yes, let her know say and no net Maria the audio japa. Because people are very wicked. People are very evil to come to the sense that when they do you something, they're not gonna say this thing, this thing I'm not supposed to do, and this thing not really good. You know me say, no, they will be on top of the wall, dancing and rejoicing, forming that you have nothing to do. Those kind of people, leave them. And don't wear them on so those kind of revenge is very good. God not the punish person put. Now when God the verse for revenge, you are on your own. Oh, poor I made the choker for her and forgive you. Me, Ubanu to it. Eli Megbeba, I must go. If you're with Tatai. Me, I don't talk and I don't do. No. Men go away, if I don't want you to talk, I'm not talking. Say me, never. I always make you see me. I do to others what others will do to me. That is the reason why number one, I didn't have that spirit of jealousy. And I don't have that spirit of breaking someone down. And I don't have that hatred of trying to see person they progress, go they pay me. No, because those kind of things, when he enter person body, jealousy and evil, it will be very easy for them to do. Yes, but your jealousy can't reach where me day. Your evil can't reach where me day. Relax, say one day go reach your turn. Now I make you see for those states for Nigeria now. This one can't buy this one. When you go to when you really check, many have done evil long time ago. Yes, many when they say Koti fights not finished for those state or for Nigeria. You know what? When you use oppressor to do me or do my family something. When he know about him, he pretend as if he don't know. When time comes, when he don't say you don't do, because you cannot be in power forever, or you cannot have strength forever. They go still wait for you. So they, because of waiting, they do their papa, do their family, they enter this kind of Koti level. You have to take a revenge on some families. So now waiting some people not knowing they say, yes, so because you cannot do and forget. You cannot do and forget. Some people will take a revenge. Some people not enter the Koti. Some people go send them, pay them huge amount of money to track you down, to make sure say they see end your family, end your relative will go pay you. Sometimes if you let them go find and send a person when you offend, sometimes it's not go remember again. Yes, because they say who shit go forget, who pack cannot go forget. You understand? Like this about now, the day when disgrace go meet her now. When be say, he don't they knock many people now. He don't they draw many people attention. Some people say, when you do that something, they will pretend as if they forget and they do like say, bag the door for me. They will do like say, they forget or you not paying them. Yes, person like me too. I'll do like say, I'm not sent. I feel not talk. But that will not me say, come up from my mind. That will not me say, oh, I don't forget him. No, not me say, I did Rick. Me. You feel they think the time when you take expect them, if it still be say not be that time. So some people say like that. When be say when you do there's something, they will pretend as if you know affect them. They'll do like say don't do them anything. But the one when you want to do you 100%. In fact, you go enter your family, enter the person generation body. Like this Albert now. He dey knock many people. He don't drown many people. He don't fight many people. He not say I'm go meet her for Nigeria. Now he run enter UK with Yeye Bastien and a shower wife enter UK. And that doesn't mean that you will run forever. One thing we know, you cannot run forever. When you don't hurt many people, drag people down to where they're not supposed to be. As you then use UK do as not be swear, because when you do people say go see open eye do you. They know. Now make why you not leave your wife and your children for Nigeria? You not born leave your wife and your children for Nigeria. Or you carry your wife and your children come UK. Why you not stay for Nigeria? You not both stay. Because you don't do many things, you don't forget. If you be saying that all you do, no, you go do. If you be saying that people when you don't do about 5 years ago, now they'll come take revenge. I make evil no good to do, they do people bad like that. No make sense. When somebody do, you have right to do one. That is do me, I do you. But if somebody not do you, you do one. Don't think that person forgive. As for me, I know they forgive. Yes. I don't hear day your day. But I can never lose God for you. No. Even as I did, if I come out now, many people, I don't need them. Not beside I did this, but go get, I don't want to talk because I don't need them. Now we could say, how bad run come up for Nigeria, enter UK, bah. You go sit down for UK. They say, not be the day when the hungry man, not be the hungry woman. I don't know how, and then we were zona. Who no amwe career ajoto. Who no drag him out to the mall. See, me they talk, and when you do me away, it can be 100 years, and I will work towards it for me not to go down, for me not me not be safe for math. I know the rake. Well, way confirm me no. Well, me when I lose God, I will strike. Yes. And when I lose God, me I strike away. Nicely, I remain a low key. Here, quite away. And from far distance, they observe you. Yes, because people are evil. People are wicked. They know. So that's the reason why when you advise them not to do evil, they will form that maybe you are scared or you not rich. No, be that one. Because when time goes on, if you not can use body packer, your own pikin fit use body packer. Then make una say carry yourself, carry family, carry wife come up for Nigeria. Obazee go collect oh. Obazee wa collect. We na go bega. People when you don't drag that for that, you will collect oh. You don't say me when I they talk like who they see visual. I go why home. Now maybe they tell you say person like me, I don't have forgiving hearts. You know, I don't get. And you can't force me to have what I don't have. What I cannot take. I don't have. So, nothing like go to church, you need deliverance. You know, say. I don't get. Now, some people say, he be wish, he get informant. Yes, so, you know, if you're poor, I do me, and you expect you to go score free. Wow. They say 100 years is not forever. So, that is life for you. As for me, I don't get. I don't talk about, not be today I start talking. When you do me something, me forgive you. Forgive where? I don't understand. Because when you learn, say forgive, you see that your heart, they are going to buy you on it. When you don't strike people that strike you, oh, when man has zoboji man zobo, when you mo panu ya show example, you will back quickly. You ain't boy gege. Or say me no be better person. Me on man.